Let je uspel, kukavice.
You never know how it feels.
Hi, Slovenija!
So many reasons why I've been feeling down and complicated. As I look inside my head, ni dovolj besed, kdaj pa kdaj. Bilo bi prelahko, ko huduje roko.
Gremo na rdečo preprogo in smo zelo veseli.
Stisnem te močno. Oh, oh. And I can see the light, it's shining on me, and I'm ready to be an angel. Oh, you're an angel. I'm looking for you. In your eyes.
You can see where Ulla will be performing in the second part.
What you got in moving towards the eye.
Danes je bilo fulaver, v bistvu so mi povedali, v kateri polovici bom v drugi polovici, navijte zame, bilo je super, spoznala sem nove prijatelje in Sport Slovenija!